Okay, going to be a quick unboxing video. These are MICTUNING flush mount LED light bars. I'm going to be using these for the back of my bumper for some reverse lights. Not much in the box. 2 lights. Oh, a little bit of mounting hardware. Allen key, washers, lock washers, and nuts. I believe that's it. Yep, that's everything. So they got that's a pretty nice gasket they have here. They've got the some listings call it a military breather, so that they can defog themselves, keep moisture out of the lens. So they're 20 watts each, and listing says Cree LEDs. I don't know how much I trust that, but so Amazon has them for about $38. Listing says up to 1800 lumens and a 6000 K color temperature, 2-year warranty, and 10 to 30 volts operating. So I could probably do a little demo here, hook them up to voltage and see what they actually look like. I just have a 12 volt power supply off screen. I have it with some little jumpers here I can use for quick testing 12 volt stuff. Okay, should be all we need here. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty bright. Definitely a white light. 6000 K is usually even more of the bluer light, but looks like just a super bright white even. Yep, I'm sure that'll work just fine. I was planning on going with a little bit brighter or a little bit larger style of LED light. Kind that they always, there's tons of different models on eBay and Amazon for like 20 bucks for a pair. And then I saw these, a little bit more expensive and a little bit smaller of a cutout, a little bit smaller profile, which is nicer. And then also this, the defog little valve here, one-way valve. So I thought we'll try them out. I cut a little bit smaller hole in the bumper if they don't work out, and I can always cut a little bit larger, hopefully. Or hopefully I never need to. So that's it.